Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week I came across an Imperial paratrooper from Skullforge Studios in my box of random prints. So I figured it's time I got him painted up and it gave me an opportunity to practice black armor a bit more. They have been black and white zenithally primed and I get started with Ashen Grey for the undersuit, which is going to be more of a green grey black since they're going to be based on Endor, so it would make sense to have a bit of green in there. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I added a highlight to all of the raised parts of the undersuit with Eidolon Grey. Finishing up the undersuit, I went over all of the raised parts with Rodent Grey. With the undersuit now finished, I get started on the solid surfaces and the leather parts with Death Reaper. This is going to be more of a neutral black just compared to the undersuit. To start adding some depth to the armour, I went over the bulk of the panels with Dungeon Stone Grey. This is still a dark grey but brings everything up a little bit and leaves that darker tone in the recesses. For more of an edge highlight, I went with Wizard's Grey, around the edges and some of the more pronounced parts. Since I'm basing this scheme off of the Inferno squad from Battlefront 2, I grabbed red and added in some red details. To start bringing up the red, I went over the majority of it with Sanguine Scarlet, just leaving that darker tone around the edges. Making the center of the red elements pop that bit more, I added in Demon Red. Since I'm basing them on Endor, I gave the base a once over with German Camo Black Brown. Adding a wash to the Mini, I washed everything with Oblivion Black Wash. The red darkened down a little bit too much for my liking, so I grabbed Demon Red and just brought some of these details back up to where they should be. And that will be it for the Paratrooper. This was far easier than I thought it would be, and it still gave me a good chance to work on black armor, and I definitely need to put some more work in. It's not bad, but it's not quite where I want it yet. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you've been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.